Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to colorize your vintage photos on your Samsung Galaxy device. Using Samsung's Colorise AI-powered tools, you can breathe new life into black and white photos on your phone. So the app intelligently adds natural colors, making your old photos look modern. So let me show you an example for this. So if I open up Gallery, I'll go ahead and open up one of this image, which is a black and white image. Now I can go ahead and use Galaxy AI to fill in all the colors for me. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and swipe up. And then here I'll go ahead and get this option to colorize. Now it all depends on the photo. Sometimes you might not see that option and sometimes you'll see that option. I'm seeing the option here, so I can go ahead and tap on colorize. This will now start to add color to your photos. So now once colored, you can go ahead and see the before and the after. So this is before and this is the after. So as you can see, the color has been filled in with regards to the skin, the dress and the hair, and even the background. So now once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and tap on save, and this will save the photo with the colors added. So this is perfect for family photos and cherished memories. So this feature makes history feel alive again without needing third-party apps. So there you go guys, that is how to colorize your vintage photos with your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.